Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's literally like 7:30 in the morning. Woke up an hour ago and I went on Twitter and I saw overnight there was this like super viral tweet about eyelashes. This little beauty hack is incredible, and if it works, I'm going to be so happy because it's going to save all of us so much money when it comes to lashes. So I am very excited to test this out and to see if it truly works or not. But if you have not seen the video yourself, I saw it this morning because Nikki Tutorials quote tweeted it. So you can see on this video, essentially all it is you use a spoolie brush on eyelashes, even if they're really cheap and synthetic, and they can look wispy and beautiful and like you've spent so much money on them. These are the two lash styles that I'm going to test this out on. So these are both Danny Beauty lashes. They are synthetic, so it'll be very interesting to see if we can make it wispy and fluttery and like the kind of lashes you spend $20+ on, because these, as of today, the Sunday 11th of March, these retail, as the exchange rate goes, for $5.45 US. So they are very, very, very affordable lashes. So these lashes, as you can see, are in a synthetic style. This one is Luna, and then this one is called Flirt. I'm actually super excited to see what Flirt does, as they are synthetic anyway. They're as fluttery as can possibly be, so I'm very excited to see if we can make this even more wispy than they already are. Alright, I'm gonna switch now to my point of view, and I'm so excited to see the results. So here are the two lashes that I just showed you guys. I'll give you a close-up first so you can just see a proper before. So this is how they look before and from the side. And then with Luna, as you can see, they are a little bit more single synthetic plastic. Let's start with Flirt and then we'll go on to Luna, because they're very different styles, so it will be very interesting to see what does what. And then we have a spoolie brush here. I'm pretty sure you can use absolutely any at all. So just double checking, I'm pretty sure they were pretty rough with their lashes in this. I just feel weird like being rough with lashes. I'm not used to that, but okay, here we go. So I've had about 2 minutes of constant rubbing and I can already see that there is such a difference between the two. So looking like super close, these look so much more like natural and wispy, whereas these are very like uniform and straight. So it really, really, really has worked. It has made the lashes look a lot shorter. You can see that they do look much longer when they're super uniform and everything. But I mean, looking at the ends of the hairs and comparing them to one another, there is literally such a big difference. Like, this is so much wispier and softer and more hair-like, and this is just straight and uniform. I don't know how wispy we're gonna achieve with this just because of the style of them. Let's go for gold, guys. I mean, if we can do this much with Flirt, I'm very excited to see what we can do with Luna. So here is the side which hasn't been touched, as opposed to the side that I have just used my spoolie brush on. I found that this style, however, is not the best for wispy. I guess I would prefer to wear this anyway rather than the wispy style personally, because I think just because of the cat eye style that it is, when it is wispy, although it does look, you know, nice and natural and like real hairs, it isn't a particularly like natural lash, if you know what I mean. It is interesting though to see the difference, because there's obviously so many more fibers on something like Flirt as opposed to Luna, so the fibers make all the difference. So I know now not to do it on lashes that are kind of single hair like this. It is best and most effective to do them on lashes which are full. Let's quickly spoolie this side to match this, and then let's try them on. So now I've done both sides. They're looking like proper expensive lashes now. These look like the kind of lashes that I would pay a lot more than $5 for. They're now like so natural and wispy. Like, I literally didn't think synthetic lashes could look like this. I didn't even know it was possible. They look so good. So let me grab a normal pair of Flirt and let's compare them side to side. This top row are how Flirt would normally look, and then the bottom row is with all the wispy spoolie stuff underneath. I think within like these two on the left, you can really see the difference. Like, there is such a massive difference from doing this technique. So I am now going to pop these on my eyes. I want to see how natural they actually will look on the eye. I actually feel like there's like less shine on the lashes too. So if I grab the normal Flirts, because they are synthetic, I suppose they will shine a bit more. But these seem to shine less, which is super interesting. But just before I pop on the glue, I just want to show you out of the packet how they look now. All right, it is the moment of truth. I'm so excited. Okay, here goes nothing. So I'm just waiting for the glue to dry on this lash, but I just want to show you a side-by-side comparison. So this is the one with the wispy lash on and this is without, and I can't tell you like how flippin' natural this looks. Like, this actually just looks like I have really long eyelash hairs. This does not look synthetic at all, like at all. What the hell, this is so cool. So now the lashes are on both of my eyes and I think these speak for themselves. I can't believe how good they look. Like, oh my god. I just look like I have really long, natural, beautiful lashes. I literally can't explain how much of a game changer this is. No more will you have to buy ridiculously expensive lashes. Like, you can get the same wispy, beautiful, full looking effect with lashes which are as cheap as these, and I will leave these linked below. I would so highly recommend getting Flirt from Danny Beauty for this, because I am just so impressed with how my lashes look right now and just how natural and beautiful and wispy they look, and hair-like. Like, the biggest thing is that they literally look like eyelash hairs, which is like impossible to find with synthetic lashes. So this definitely works. This is something I am definitely going to keep doing, and thank you guys for watching this very quick video. I had to do it this morning because I was like, does this work? And it does. I'm so excited, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be tomorrow. I was meant to upload something else today, but I was so excited by this that I'm uploading this now, and then I will have another video tomorrow. So I'll see you guys there, and until next time,